Hi, hello YouTube, this is Michael D. Provenzano. Today I'm bringing you another nmap video. Alright, we're working on the command line. Anyways, so what we're gonna do is first, we're gonna ping my computer. Alright. Nmap, -sn, local host. Alright, so, okay. Hold on. I'll just do the 192.168.86.94. Alright. So, yeah. Oh my god, how dumb am I? Yeah, you see it worked. But yeah, that's an example of how you should read what the output is first before, because they're the same thing. And anyways, all right, here we're going to do okay, let's scan the port 8443 SSH. Yeah. And some random port. Alright. Oh, wait on. Alright, so I have to take that ping scan away. Alright, so as you can see, it's kind of fast. Nothing open. So another cool thing is we can scan random IPs. Alright, so we're gonna do IR for random, or we could do IL and put in a text file with IPs, but right now we're gonna do IR. Let's do one. Alright, so we're scanning for one random IP. Alright, so so it's blocking our ping. So we're gonna do that. Let's see. Alright, as you can see, it took a while. Okay, so let's see. 1080.254.191.20. So that's yeah. Alright, so what we're gonna do now to speed this up is minimum or max parallelism. Alright. Wait. L. Alright. Okay. Okay. I suck at spelling. That took way too long. Anyways, so let's do 10. Now, if you do it any higher than 10, it might affect the accuracy, but I guess it recommends 10. Let's see. No, it's still too long for my patience. Oh, look at that. All right. So what we're also going to do is -n to skip the DNS resolution, and we are also going to do space max replies or retries. Um, 5. Let's see. Okay. I don't know. It's still taking a while for my patience. So what we're going to do is we are going to scan one port 443, the one we know that's open, but also we are going to enable T5. Okay. P lowercase. Okay. So that went way faster. Of course, we're only scanning one port, but let's do port 1 to 1,000. Okay. Still taking too long for my needs. All right. So instead of that, we're just going to do fast scan. All right. That was way faster. Okay, as you can see, it says here that all of them are filtered. All 100 ports are filtered. So let's take away that F and do P 1 to 100. All right. Let's see. They're filtered. That's quite interesting, actually. So let's just try 443 one more time. Let's see. All right, so that works. So how it works is the reason this is happening, I believe, is because there's so that's just something random. Hold on. I learned that. So there's us. All right, we send a packet to the actual server or whatever. And then it goes to there as a different type of packet. All right. So, and then it comes back to us as a different type. So what we're going to do is investigate that next time. But nice. I mean, bye. Like, comment, subscribe.